everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about spring shoes, and in today's video I'm also going to share the outfits and what I wear these shoes with along each type of the shoes. So there will be loads of different outfits and loads of styling tips, plus the accessories and the bags that I would wear with these outfits and shoes. I selected 3 pairs of shoes for each category. There are 8 categories of shoes to go through together, so quite a few pairs, like 24 pairs. So please sit tight, let's go through this together. The next category are the ballet flats, and this pair is from Louboutin, you can see, and this is like a heart, and they were quite a special edition before Valentine's Day. This is more than 10 years older. This is quite smart, and I did wear it over this Valentine's Day just gone, and I took short, so you can see that on the screen. I just love this little red heart, and it's very, very cute, make me feel very girly. The next pair is just this classic Chanel ballet pumps and flats. I had this so many years in my wardrobe. I think, how much was it used to be? I think either 275 or 375, if I remember it correctly. So it's very, very reasonable, and not like these days and everything just gone up so much. So this is quite essential. I mean, I resold this because I wear this quite a lot, and then the sole got tarnished quite a bit. So yeah, and this is quite essential, and loads of girls have these in their wardrobe. So yeah, you know, without saying, I have a pair too. So wearing this low waist vest is this self-portrait tweed jacket and Ganni jeans and the Chanel ballet pumps. So I'm going to use this Celine trapeze bag, or I'm using my Manuel Atelier brown suede bag. Another pair, this is also from Chanel, and this pair is also from Chanel. This is like suede, black suede with patent cap toe, and with little Chanel on at the end, like side, and you can see it's very, very flat. So another pair of ballet flats. This goes with just, you name it, anything. You can wear these with just anything, everything. So yes, this category is Mules, because Mules are quite versatile really. These can be worn like spring, summer, and autumn. Like in the UK especially, summer days can be like evenings can be quite cool. If you want to go out like in the evening, wearing sandals can be quite cold. So the Mules just like a great compromise. They still make you quite smart, but you know, provides that comfort and a little bit warmth as well. So let's go through this pair first. This pair is from Gucci, and I had this for quite a few years. I haven't really worn this that much. Partly is because this bit here is quite narrow, so I still try to break it into it, but still I think I'm getting there. But these are very, very comfortable, and I do wear this and occasionally, but I think I should wear this a lot more. Very versatile shoes. I didn't really get the ones with the furry lining because I found them just like I'm treading on my cat. So I got this the plain without the furry ones. I think this is going to be like lasting a lot longer and more subtle and classic. Mule shoes, the shoe like Gucci horsebite, and the colored like a green and the red, so ribbon underneath. So this is a very classy and a Gucci design. And this pair of white ones are from Hermes, and this is I got not last year, the year before last year. And so this is like summer, I wear these. This is quite cute with a little muted sort of like gold little H there. I can't remember what's the name of this, and Oscar, is it Oscar Mule? I can't remember, but yeah, I think they're still on the website. They have different colors, they like the white, black, and the gold color. And so yeah, they're quite very comfortable, so I tend to wear these in the warmer days. So now spring, I wear this with jeans and skirts, and so yeah, love these. And this pair is from Nicholas Kirkwood, and I have another pair of his loafers, like a silver, and they're so comfortable. I had this for so many years. This is like his signature heel, and like with like metal, shining metal heel there. And this pair is like velvet with different colored like a metal bars that's all over it. I think this is so smart and chic and subtle, and I just love this pair of Muse, and I hope this is going to last, you know. And but a little bit of tarnish at the front tip of the toe, but this is tend to do that with pointed toe shoes. Other than that, it's still in quite pristine condition. I have worn this quite a lot, and I just something that I love so much.